Hey everybody, welcome to Get Weld Soon. We're gonna do a little MIG weld practice today. We're gonna show you how to stack them in there like that. Stack them in layers. Let's get it. By the way, before we get started, I got to ask a question about what hood I use. It's the Miller Digital Elite, and I love this hood for an electric lens. It's pretty stinking comfortable. I love the band, and it's not super heavy like a lot of them. So it's not terrible. A lot of the electric lenses are pretty heavy, but this one's not bad actually. I've had it since, I believe it was 2017, and I love that hood for an electric lens. If you're trying to learn how to MIG weld, if you'd be interested in a course, like a very detailed course, from knowing nothing to professional levels, let me know, because if there's enough people interested, I'd be interested in putting one together for you guys. So anyway, just let me know. So when you're welding this vertical, you're going to want to go back and forth like that.
So I apologize about the video. I don't know what my camera was doing here, but it's doing something crazy. But you can still see the puddle really well, so I went ahead and used it. Now I'm just using a piece of scrap angle here. It's the best way to practice for a bevel. Instead of wasting your time grinding on plates, grinding bevels on plates, just use a piece of angle first.
So here's my first bead. There's a little stop right there. I stopped there because I got out of range for the video. My camera couldn't see the weld anymore.
Now when you start this next layer, make sure you overlap. See, I'm lapping more than halfway on that first bead that I ran.
Here's my second stringer.
Now we got to fill up the rest of that valley and make sure the puddle washes over at least halfway of the bead that you just ran. You want to fill it up and lay your beads nice and tight so there's no valleys in between them.
Stringer number 3.
And here I just continue. I'm just going to let you watch me run these beads. And ideally, every layer you would add one bead. Like the first layer is 1 bead, second layer is 2 beads, and then 3, and so on. And here's my final stringer.
All right guys, there they are. 1, 2, and 3 layers stacked. Let me clean it up. You know what, I'm gonna get the wire wheel. There you have it, folks. Stacked in there 1, 2, and 3 layers. That's how you want it, right there. That's it for today, guys. Hope you learned something. Hope you enjoyed the video. Smash that like button, and we'll see you next time.